Okay, guys, how are we again tonight? And we're in for another exciting night, but this time is going to be more detailed. Okay, we are going to be more detailed this tonight and probably for many nights. And here's the reason why. Okay, we are on. So we've kicked off Cryptomoon. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. We do have a full house on Cryptomoon. But really going forward, we want to be more detailed. I think we're launching Crypto Saturn this week. So wow, community of Crypto Moon has now gone to over 70. Awesome, guys, awesome. And we will go faster in July, definitely, because there'll be more mass marketing on things like cryptos, DeFi, and NFTs. I don't even know what a good reference on NFT is, because everything has started so fast. I mean, millionaires in this space are created so fast you just wouldn't believe it. I mean, there was just NFTs that are creating millionaires left, right, and center. But today we're going to talk about first, before we go into Ethereum, this is the main subject of our topic, which is here. See that Ethereum? Let's see what's happening to the market first. Okay, yeah, look at that. Bitcoin has dropped. Seems that 60,060 is a problem, but look at Ethereum. And what is most disappointing here is that while Bitcoin was making new highs, Ethereum could not even breach 2,000. And we're going to see why. Okay, why Ethereum is so disappointing, and put in some technicality so that you guys understand, so that later the guys joining the Saturn group know what to look out for. Okay, because in Saturn it's very different from Moon. In Saturn we're not even trading. Can you believe that? We're not even trading, but we are making money. So 3 reasons Bitcoin fell 6% in 4 hours. What is the deal here? Why in the world did it fall? Oh my God, it has fallen. What is this? So now let's look at it. Why? A new weekly candle. Okay, I can accept that. So new weekly candle is a reset. Yeah, Monday is always very tricky. That's cool. Is in the process of a volatile retest, really. So might be retesting this area here to see if we can hold. If not, we might go back. You know where, right? Could be 50, could be here, could be here, could be there. Now we don't want dreaded is going there. And the thing is this, I think I've already told you guys, right, that playing or investing in BTC, trading BTC with futures or with leverage is very dangerous. Again, there's always this thing where what's called like liquidation. People are looking to liquidate you. Your account, your entire account is gone. You understand what that means? Like totally liquidate, right? Like Forex calling you for a margin call. Like this happens a lot in crypto, which is why we don't do leverage. Okay, we can, but we don't do, because the impact of leverage could be totally destructive. Next, Gemini is another exchange in the US other than Coinbase. It's quite a good one. I didn't even this. I don't know why they're playing the ads. So Gemini is another good one. And here, look, people were putting in BTC into Gemini, which means that what? People are selling. See the deposit. As long as people put into an exchange, they will probably be selling. And next, it was not driven by the whales. It was driven actually by stable coins like USDT, right? USDT, USDC, and all that. But we also heard last week, where are the institutions? Well, Michael Saylor said that he bought around where? 57, right? Michael Saylor and MicroStrategy bought some more at 57. So we're going to have to look at that level, because if Michael Saylor buys at that level, don't tell me the institutions do not want profit from their Bitcoin, right? Because Saylor bought around 16 and much lower than that. But the point is, during the last round, he bought at 57. So that's kind of good. What else is going on in the Bitcoin market? I want you to really be careful of this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. South Korea deepens probe onto tax evasion via cryptocurrencies, right? We're not going to go to this because this is not about tax, but Be careful of your tax authority. Yeah, you might be called. You might be called by your tax authority if you are doing something funny or something suspicious. That's how they trace you, right? Or they have all your bank accounts and everything. And once you go out of the norm, that is it. They might call you for some friendly questioning and negotiations. And guys, you don't want that. Okay, so let's see what's happening to ETH. Why is ETH so disappointing? It's not going anywhere. Okay, it's going down. I'm upset. It didn't even touch 2000, whereas for the last time, what was the past? See, it already went past 2045. I was thinking that it would even challenge 2000. No, didn't do that. Only 1950. I am upset. I'm upset today of Ethereum, of many things. So we're going to call Vitalik Buterin, okay, the founder of Ethereum, so that he can answer us. There's a lot of things going on in Ethereum. And look at this. One of the problems in Ethereum, look at this, guys. Yesterday, if you guys were in my wallet class, the last one, because we're starting off Cryptomoon already with oversubscription this weekend. Thank you very much. Look at this. I sent this yesterday, guys, I sent this yesterday. It is stuck. It is stuck. Look at that. It is stuck. It is still pending. Okay, guys, to you too who I'm sending. So I'm going to send this again tonight, okay? So I'm going to have to cancel this transaction. I'm going to have to pay the gas fees anyway, and then I'm going to have to send to you again. Bummer, look at that. What is that? That makes me angry. Hey, what's going on with Ethereum, man? Seems a lot is going on with Ethereum. So let's ask Vitalik Buterin first. What is Ethereum? Okay, so Vitalik, take it. This is the Tim Ferriss show, okay? He recently had an interview with the Tim Ferriss show. So this is quite cool, guys. Listen to him. This is the master of Ethereum, the guy who changed the face of cryptocurrency. What is Ethereum? What is its difference to? Let's go listen to Master Vitalik.
This one will make a lot more sense. But we're going to get right into not what is crypto or what is Bitcoin. We're going to get into what is Ethereum. So how do you describe it today, Vitalik?
Sure. So the one sentence explanation of Ethereum that I sometimes give is it's a general purpose blockchain. So this, of course, makes more sense if you kind of already know what a blockchain is, right? It's this kind of decentralized network of many different computers that are together, maintaining this kind of ledger or this kind of database together. Different participants have very particular ways of plugging into that. They can send transactions that do very particular things, but no one can tamper with the system in a way that's outside of the rules. And Ethereum expands on the Bitcoin approach by basically saying, well, instead of having rules that are designed around supporting one application, we're going to make something more general purpose where people can just build their own applications, and the rules for whatever applications they build can be executed and implemented on the Ethereum platform. So one explanation that I heard one person give is that Bitcoin is like a spreadsheet where everyone only controls their own 5 squares of the spreadsheet, but Ethereum is a spreadsheet with macros, right?
That is cool, right? How do you like that, right? How do you like that? Hey, give me a like and a share, guys. Come on, guys. Give me a like and a share on YouTube, guys. So that's very beautifully said, and he said, again, let's say this. He said a network of computers control it, right? A network of computers. So now you're confused, hey, there's Ethereum 2.0. I thought that was staking, right? You keep it. Yes, this is a transition, guys. Ethereum now is in transition. This is Ethereum 1.0. This is controlled by a network of computers. This is 2.0. This is on the beacon chain. It's a different chain from this. This is where you keep Ethereum and get the network going. So we have 2 Ethereums now running side by side. Bet you guys didn't know that. Well, we do. Let's see what else Vitalik says about Ethereum, because you know what? There has been a lot of rumblings in Ethereum, right? There's a war going on in Ethereum, and it's about London and Berlin. Okay, look at this. ETH2 transition. Look at that. Accelerate amid rumblings of a minor rebellion, because the miners are really complaining. So let's see what happened, and let's see what Vitalik is doing now. So let's go here for a while. Let me draw. Okay, so what's happening here is this. You know, this network of computers, it basically manage this. And you know what? And you know what is happening here? Okay, I'm going to tell you what is happening here. Because they are producing fees, right? They get the fees. The miners, the computers, right? The computer network, they get the fees. And these fees are this, okay? These fees are, you know, the miners get basically a base fee and a tip, okay? The miners here, these are the computers here, okay, running this thing. Now, what's happening is with EIP 1559, guess what's happening? They want to burn this. And suddenly the miners' fees go down. Aren't you guys gonna be upset? That's why there is a rebellion. Yes, C. Chen. Well, we have changed the time due to daylight savings. Okay, it's now at 7:45 on Monday. Yeah, thanks for that. Basically 8 p.m. on Wednesday, because you know the daylight savings in the US. The US markets open tonight at 9:30, guys. Don't wait for 10:30. If you are trading the US market, look at it very carefully tonight. Okay, so again, because of this, yeah, they are complaining because suddenly their total compensation goes down. That's not very nice, right? So they wanted to actually have what? Look at this. So these Ethereum guys wanted to go to proof of work, this chain to this chain. That will cut these guys off. How would you feel? You would feel angry, right? Is that why my transactions are not working? Hello, what's happening here? Hello. So anyway, so let's go in and read some more. And basically, they're trying to merge 1 and 2, right? Yeah, it is kind of confusing. See, miners stand to lose significant revenue with the transition to proof of stakes and Ethereum while Ethereum developers are keen to ameliorate the persistently high fees and congestion. Yes, this is causing a lot of congestion. So what Ethereum is coming up is two things. The first thing will be on April 14, there'll be something called Berlin, okay? There's a hard fork, means they change the code. It's software code, okay? Berlin. The first one is called Berlin. Look at this. Optimization for contracts, including gas efficiencies. Hopefully, they will make the gas cheaper. But then in July, there will finally be EIP 1559. And we're going to look who won. Who won? Who blinked? Who blinked? So they are angry. And overhaul is set to slash transaction fees. How would our students like it? How would Brian like it if I told him that, hey, you can't even get 5 times. You can even get 4 times anymore. The most you can get is 100%. I don't think he'll be happy. He is not going to be happy. How will our other students who got 100 times say that if I am going to implement a change, you can only make twice 200%, not 100x, 200%. They won't be happy, right? Revolution, guys. We have to actually sympathize to these people, okay? So EIP 1559, users will send a base transaction fee to the network that would burn the token. So they have signal opposition on Twitter, okay? So what do they want to do? So they want to prove to the Ethereum guys they can do something. They're redirecting their mining power to ethermine.org, a pool for miners, for 51 hours on April 1. Maybe this is the worry, okay? And they are strong. Now, in order to do this, in order to bring the Ethereum network to a halt, 51% of the miners need to do it. Do they have to be 51%? Let us see. Let us see, guys. So this is where the Ether mining pools are. Look, this guy has 24. This guy has 20. That's 44. F2 pool, you know, has been selling Bitcoin, right? This is the infamous pool that has been selling Bitcoin. 10.9. Now, 44, okay, plus 10.9, they're done. They're done. In fact, if this guy gets all the guys, he can also do a 51% attack. Remember, 51%. All you need to do to attack any blockchain network is 51%. Something that almost nearly happened for Bitcoin also, but that's a different story. So here you just look at it. These miners who are upset that their their source of living is taken away are not very happy. Okay, but for us, we just want high speed, right? We don't want high congestion. Look at high congestion. It is not going anywhere. Hello, I'm sending the Ethereum, but it's not going anywhere, guys. Don't blame me. See, it's good that this happens so that you guys understand that, especially those who haven't gotten his back. Okay, what I need to do is I need to cancel this transaction. And then what I need to do is pay a higher gas fee. Now you see, right, why in Ethereum you need to be good in wallets. You need to understand the gas fees. If not, you can have something like this. Imagine you send something to an IDO. Yeah, Chen or Fad, you send something to an IDO and it doesn't arrive, right? Fad, well, Brian sends it. I say, Brian, how did you do it? Well, he increased the gas fee. Okay, you guys need to be good in gas or it's going to stop in the Ether world. So what is Vitalik doing? You know, so let's see here. What are they doing? That's why these guys here are really now starting to come up with a solution, okay? Which is to come with ETH2. Developers have been prioritizing, Buterin have been prioritizing the chain merge. Sharding is actually acceleration, okay? Because they want it to be faster. With his comments on Chinese social media. Why Chinese social media? Because most of the miners are in China, okay? So again, what Buterin is saying is this. If the miner rebellion happens, it will force Ethereum 2.0 to happen even sooner than expected, okay? What does Vitalik say? So you guys didn't know, there was a war, guys. There was a war. Let's see what Vitalik Buterin said. What is he doing in terms of this? And he's the founder of Ethereum. Let's see what happens, okay? But anyway, I have to play you this because what is he doing? How can he fight all these miners? Is he gonna win? I don't know. You listen. You listen, guys. Listen up.
And so with rollups, as I mentioned, the optimism, fully EVM capable rollup is likely to launch an initial mainnet release in around a month or so. There's also a project called Arbitrum, which is also an EVM capable rollup. There's actually simpler rollups that are only
the rollups, making it faster is actually from Optimism and also Arbitrum. Hey guys, where is Arbitrum from? Come on guys, tell me, which university is Arbitrum from? Can you guys type it down? Sorry, I have to put this, okay? I have to put this. I know this is like a commercial. Where is Arbitrum from, guys? Do you know? Can you type it down, guys? Type it down, type it down. Where is Arbitrum from? Come on, come on, come on, come on. We got to get this settled, guys. Where is Arbitrum from? Can we type it down? Can we type it down? Yeah, Arbitrum is from Cornell University, okay? I just had to get that in, okay? We support Cornell University here.
Capable of processing simple transactions and exchanging between assets like Loopring and ZK Sync, and those rollups have already been running stably for about a year, right? So rollups aren't even theory. They've been a practical part of scalability of Ethereum for a few users for almost a year. And the thing that's left is basically taking that same model and just fully extending it to kind of not just support transactions, but also arbitrary applications, right? So rollups are coming very soon.
Okay, it's coming very soon. No, Putedulu, it's not Stanford, it's Cornell, okay? I got my BSc in Cornell, okay? I got electrical engineering, and then I was trained by the Stanford Design School. So I'd be happy if it's Stanford. So I'm happy for both, okay? But in this case, it's Cornell. So he's already fighting back. Now, let's see who blinked first, because this is why I think Ethereum has not performed like Bitcoin. I am disappointed. I thought it would at least poke its head above like here, like 2020. I already put a sell order here, I was buying here. I told you guys to buy here, right? I told you guys I was buying here. Oh yeah, I'm not supposed to sell. I told you guys to buy here. I told you guys I was buying here, right? I was ready to sell if it poked, but it never poked. And then it pulled a reverse on me, right? Which is why what do we say? Which is why we say that, it's not easy to trade. It's not easy to trade this, right? It's not easy to trade cryptos, guys. Vitalik Buterin, yeah, that's his name. It's not easy to trade. It always pulls tricks on you. Last week was very obvious, right? You saw that because of the Biden stimulus, you know that these would go up. And then today, when the checks are supposed to roll in, when everyone is expecting it to go up, what does it do? It pulls a rug pull on you, right? It's like a rug pull, it goes down. And that's the tough part about cryptos, okay, which is why we sometimes stay out of trouble. We do not to trade it. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me? I hope you guys can hear me, okay? So again, the 51% attack. Now, you guys are going to be like curious, what in the world happened? So guys, who do you think won? What happened? Who's going to win? Because you have a battle here, okay? You have a battle here, okay? Berlin is coming. Yeah, Berlin. Yeah, Berlin is the miners versus Berlin and London, okay? And Vitalik is on the, Vitalik is obviously on the Ethereum side, okay? So you have the miners here, okay? You have the miners, you think they're the big bad guys, right? And they are against the Berlin, which is going to happen in April. And they are also against London, right? They are also against London, which is due to be happen in July, right? So who won, guys? Who do you think won? Did Vitalik won? Did the miners? This is very tricky because, you know, the miners are also very, very, very powerful, okay? Because they control the network. I mean, I might have created something, but hey, if I don't control it, like, okay, then I don't control it, you know? So who do you think won, guys? Type it down, guys. Give a like, give a share, and type it down, guys. It's time to type it down. Who won in all this? The miners will lose, says John. That's sweet and smart. Don't FOMO. John, are you guys supporting John? Are you guys thinking the miners will lose? What do you think? Remember, guys, the miners, they are threatening to bring down this network, okay? To bring down the Ethereum network. Let's see if John is right. Fat says the miners win. Fat says the miners win. Yeah, Fat is probably right. Surprising, like John. Look at this, Red Panda Mining, right? So look, they have been complaining about this. This is a miner, okay? They're all in mining. They don't like all this, okay? Curse mining, okay? Please follow the main discussion. Okay, look here. I know this is a controversial topic with lots of opinion, but the wonderful thing about this entire community is that we are passionate about Ethereum, which is what makes Ethereum as great as it is. The whole crypto mining community for your support. My God, the whole crypto mining community is supporting them. If it weren't for GPU mining, I would not be here. And look what happened here, John. Look what happened here, Fat. Look, we have been heard. We have been heard. Yeah, I know. John said, right. The developers are probably developing now, right? Reward. See, EIP 3368 has been proposed. Reward to 3 ETH, but drops 0.25 every quarter. So they want the rewards to drop. So, okay. So he's going to rescind the full from the show of force on April 1st. And so should all of you. Isn't it cool, right? So you can see the standard here, right? What was the standard again? I even forgot, right? EIP 3368. They increase the rewards and then they decay it, right? So Ethereum looks like it is in a battle, right? And it's been in a battle before, guys. It has been in a battle before. It has been very, very interesting. And what could happen to Ethereum? And this is why, guys, when you see Ethereum having this battle, you see other chains which are faster and cheaper, right? Not like the one you saw just now, which is Binance. Look at that. In this battle, look at this, John and Fat. It just went up. Look at what happened to Binance. $43 all the way to what? Over 300. Look at this. Another chain that has benefited from this battle is Matic. It's now called Polygon, okay? It's now called Polygon. Yeah, Polygon, Matic. Look at that. At the same time, right, when all these gas fees were expensive, right, when I had to discount the course, right, everyone was crying and these were pushing up. This went from what? This went from 1.7 cents to, what is it now? 40 cents. That is a 40 times move, guys. Not 40%, 40 times move, 40. That means less than a month ago, if you had put 1K here, your 1K in any currency, this could be any dollar, would be 40K. Can you believe that? Because, you know, people kind of just had it, you know. They are asking Vitalik to really come out with a solution, so the battle may continue. Okay, and look at this. This is what may happen. I don't know, because when they have battles like this, guess what? Okay, you know, you see Bitcoin, Ethereum. There's also another chain here. Can we find it? Can we find it? And this is, I'm going to ask you, is this going to make you happy or sad? There's also another chain here called Ethereum Classic. How come I can't find it? Okay, which is the break. It's Ethereum splitting into two last time, right? So Ethereum has split. Okay, guys, Ethereum has split. I don't know why I can't find it. I don't know. Where is Ethereum Classic? Hello, ETH Classic, where are you? Don't tell me it's fallen way, way, way too far down. Wow. It really has fallen way, way, way too far down. But anyway, there's also this. Okay, I want to tell you what happened last time in 2017 when I first went in. There's Bitcoin. And look at this, guys. Look at this, guys. Look at below here. There's also Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, look at that. There's also Bitcoin Cash. I want to ask you another question. If this happens, that Ethereum splits, I don't know, maybe it's Ethereum on the blockchain, I don't know, Ethereum mining or Ethereum proof of stake, you know, where you stake your thing. Is this a good thing or not? Should we celebrate? Now, this was a split, Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. What do you think will happen? So that, you know, I just want to tell, come on, guys, guess. What do you think will happen? Okay, John, what's going to happen? What's going to happen if they do split? Anything is a possibility. I cannot even find Ethereum Classic. Where did Ethereum Classic go? Okay, ETC. It's called ETC. It's an ETC chain. Yeah. Yeah. Should we be celebrating if they split? What happens if they split? You know, just say here. But first, let's look at Ethereum Classic and the price, because this has happened many times to Bitcoin. Not only Bitcoin Cash, there was Bitcoin Gold, you know, Bitcoin SV and all that, right? There's many. Okay, Ethereum Classic is only 12 bucks. Yeah, this was the original Ethereum. Okay, so Ethereum has split before. Now, I am going to ask you here, and we are going to see what will happen if this split. Are you concerned? Are you panicking? Are you going to sell all your Ethereum, guys? Are you going to run away and go to Binance Smart Chain? Are you going to spot Matic? Are you going to spot Polkadot? What if this splits into two? And this is 2, and suddenly this one is 1. What happens now? What are you guys gonna do? Let's see what happens now. This is interesting. Good opportunity for us. Okay, why good opportunity, John? Why is it a good opportunity? Yes, come on, explain to these people here. Because some people might say, I want to sell. I want to sell, right? I want to get out of Ethereum. It's going down. It might split. Why is this a good opportunity? Yeah. Why? Why? Because here is the reason why. Because now you have this, right? This is Ethereum. This is Ethereum. Say that they have Ethereum too. It's another separate chain. Just say that they have Ethereum too. Now, some of you are going to freak out and say, no, that's the end. No, that's not the end. We will be happy. You know why? You know why, right? What is the word, guys? Air what? Come on, guys. Air what? Airdrop. Airdrop. For 1 Ethereum, you will get 1 Ethereum too. You understand me? If it does split, now you have 2. Now you're more happy, right? That's what happened for Bitcoin Cash. Right, that's what happened for Bitcoin Cash. For every 1 Bitcoin, for every Bitcoin that you had, okay, or there was a ratio then, okay, for a Bitcoin, you kind of get a Bitcoin Cash also. It's like an automatic drop. Yes, you do not have to do anything, okay? You do not have to do anything, John, but I might warn you on something. Who is Malaysian here? Before I go, if you are Malaysian, you guys will remember, right, that when BTC actually forked into Bitcoin Cash, what happened, guys? Luno did not support this. Hence, I had to move my BTC all the way to, what was it? I forgot. I think I got it on Bitrex or Binance. I think it was Bitrex at that time. I had to move it away, guys. So diamond hands is not useful if you don't get it. Check with the exchanges, right? And that is why we say in the world of crypto, bad things, good things, anything is possible. What do we say, guys? I am possible, diamond hands. See you later. And who knows what will happen? We just accept we are in this game for the long term. See you.